What's up, y'all?
Turn me up, turn me up, I'm lit. If she bugs, she get punched in her. We posted in this, run up on me, take your leg. We steady making hits, and you know we ain't gon' miss.
What's up, y'all? I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another vlog. And this vlog is really special to me because this is my first actual real vlog on my new channel, first of all. And second of all, I'm going to New York, and it's a new city. Like, I'm ready to start venturing out, going to new cities, trying new things, and just living life more than I already have been. But this is the thing, y'all. So this was supposed to be a solo trip, but y'all know my mama. Y'all already know moms. Y'all, if y'all seen her from my last channel, y'all already know how she is. She dramatic, so y'all, she following me to New York. Which is cool, because now I have some extra company, but like, you know, this was supposed to be, you know, some me time, but it's cool. It could be some us time now. There she go. I was just talking. What? I was just talking to the vlog about you, telling them how
amazing I am.
How you following me. Oh. But I was telling them, I was like, it's cool because now I have some extra company.
She was not going to New York alone. So I'm hit y'all, man. I'm in the airport. I'm excited. I'm so fancy.
Where's that dog? That dog is.
You already know. He don't have one. You already know.
Y'all, look at him go. Look at him be free. Look at him go. Look at him go. Run for his life.
So we made it to the airport. I gotta get rid of this water bottle before they try to turn me around. I made it through security, and I'm really like starving, y'all. I haven't eaten since, like, it's literally been 24 hours since I've eaten, and I really have to stop waiting all day to eat. Like, I'll sometimes go 2 days without eating. I wouldn't consider it a disorder, but I need to stop with that. So now I'm looking for a Chili's because I know there's a Chili's in this airport, and I know exactly what I want. I want the boneless tenders with fries, because last time I came to this airport and I got the tenders, I was like, we gonna do this more often. So, but this is just a little scenery. And yeah. So y'all, Chili's was closed, so I just ended up going to Chick-fil-A. And we're about to board the flight now, like we're currently boarding. And I will see y'all once I get to LaGuardia's airport. So it's 7:23, and we finally made it. And I'm really like, I'm so tired. Like, my body is just aching. That wasn't the best flight that I've ever had. Like, I'm tired. Like, I'm so tired. So right now I'm waiting, and we're gonna pick up the rental, and we're going to the room, and I'll be back with a room tour. Yo, so we're trying to catch up. Who is driving these buses? Yo, we trying to catch the bus, right? We trying to catch the bus. But the bus is not trying to catch us. Like, at this point, I'm so confused because we've been waiting for a bus for like 15, 20 minutes now, and the bus is just steady passing us up. I don't know what's going on. I'm just tired, and I'm just hungry, my back hurt, and I just want to see the room. I just look. Let's see if this one stops. Nope. So what's really going on? So finally made it to the hotel. Oh Lord. So we made it. This is the whip. You know, the whip. Type shit, you feel what I'm saying? You know, the V6. So this some bullshit, right? So the valet parking is $70 a day, and then every time we need to call the car, it's an extra $30 every time. And to me, that's like a ripoff. For all that, like we might as well just park because that's ridiculous. Fee for the room, and then extra mandatory $30 fee, and then it's a $30 fee for the car, and then it's a $70 fee for the valet. For valet, and then another additional $30 that we can't even choose. That's old. It is. I already know this trip about to break my pocket up. $70 per night. Okay, you don't have to yell. I hear you. I hear you. You right here. You ain't got to yell. So, guys, I need a light. Give me a second. I finally, it's 11:20 at night. I finally made it to the room, y'all. And the room is really nice. And I feel like the view is gonna be even more breathtaking. So this is my setup, y'all, for the weekend. So this is my mirror. I'm breathing so hard. This is my mirror. Bathroom. You know, bathroom is giving. This is the room. Nice, nice. Bigger than some apartments out here. Nice. Got a little couch and everything, girl. Now for this view. Wait, y'all. Absolutely breathtaking. Like I thought. So, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. I am worn out. This is the end of this vlog. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I'm about to shower and I literally might just pass out because it's been a lot of trials and tribulations today. I just argued with my mom because she wants to complain the whole time. Like, girl, this was my trip. This was my trip, okay? I should have caught that on camera, but it wasn't the time. But this is my trip. She mad and irritated. I'm hungry. Well, I'm not hungry no more, but I just ate. But I was hungry and I'm tired. I feel disgusting. I feel dirty. I just feel so nasty. I feel so nasty right now. But that marks the end of this vlog. I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow I have some nice activities in store. So y'all stay tuned, and I might be linking up with a photographer out here. So y'all gonna see all that too. But thank y'all so much for tuning into this vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram. Go stream all my music. I will be dropping soon. So y'all just stay tuned, and I will see y'all tomorrow.